Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Discord on your mobile. To download Discord, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Once it's done, open Play Store app on your device. Now in search box, type in Discord. Now in search result, click on Discord, which will appear like this. Tap on the install button to download it on your device. Now wait for the application to be downloaded. Once the application is downloaded, click on open button to launch it. So that is how easily you can download Discord on your device.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.